The government has conferred national hero status on retired Brigadier General Matthias Tizirai Ngarava, whose death on Christmas Day has raised fresh questions amid a growing pattern of unexplained or sparsely explained deaths of senior military figures since Zimbabwe's 2017 coup. Salapina Mashkubra University's General Ngarava declared additional hero amid questions over military death. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team now Namubla Yugamchinsi. Information Minister Jennifer Muswere announced the decision on Monday at Ngaravasi Chinhoyo home, but did not disclose the cause of death. Brigadier General Ngarava, who was 66, died on 25 December 2025 at Chinhoyo General Hospital. He retired from active military service last year. On Monday, his body was taken to Charles Gumbo Barracks in Harare, where a full military funeral parade was held despite evidence drawing mourners from across the country. Zimbabwe National Army Commander Lieutenant General Ashawater Tavmane was the chief mourner and praised Ngarava as a loyal cadet who dedicated his life to Zimbabwe's liberation and development. In quotes, Brigadier General Ngarava has left a legacy of excellence in the organization. He has been an icon and a prototype commander, Tavmane said. His exceptional loyalty and patriotism remind us how fortunate we are as a nation to have produced officers of his caliber. However, beyond official tributes, the state's silence on the cause of death has fueled public speculation, particularly given Zimbabwe's recent history of mysterious deaths involving senior military and security officials. Since the November 2017 military intervention that removed former President Robert Mugabe and ushered President Emmerson Mnangagwa, several high-ranking officers, many perceived to have been aligned with the Vice President Konsano Chiwenga, have died in quick succession. Among them was retired Lieutenant General Sibusiso Moyo. Against this sensitive backdrop, the lack of transparency surrounding Garava's death has once again raised troubling questions about accountability, openness, and the true balance of power within Zimbabwe's political and security establishment. Doma developments aripo muri yeZimbabwe tudze mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi tichiona aiwa general aringotsakatika achirwa pasi and the worst part of it chakonzeresa kuti atsakatike panguva ino chiri anona achizozikanwa. Pinda comment section medu mufunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.